All right, I know there's a lot of do-it-yourself grills for these portable heater, Mr. Heater Buddies. Well, I got something for you. That's going to be kind of interesting. Okay, so last year we used the Mr. Heater Buddy, and we jerry-rigged a grill somewhat like this, cut some pieces off, you know, yada yada, made sure that it held firmly in the Mr. Heater Buddy. And inevitably we had a couple things happen. One, it never really hung in properly, and the Mr. Heater Buddy just kind of, you know, it was always a pain to get in. And two, the big one was that you put a hot dog or a sausage on the grill and it would roll off onto the ice or into the hole. And truth be told, that happened a couple times. So I was looking for different solutions, and I found this basket that you can buy at Canadian Tire for, I don't know, it was maybe, I don't know, $11, something like that. And lo and behold, what I did is I just looked at how the handle of this might work with the Mr. Heater Buddy. And look here what we found out. So one of these handles, I don't know if you can see that, clips right in the top grill. And now look at that, it sits perfectly. You have to adjust a little, bend it a little bit, but look at that, it's perfectly flat. And the other thing I like about this situation, I'm not sure yet, we haven't tried it out on the actual ice yet, but all the grease is now going to be dripping in front of the Mr. Heater Buddy versus inside it, which actually I had one of the nozzles, the nozzle clog up on me, which meant that I wasn't getting any heat because there's no flame coming through. So that's another alternative. Okay, so a basket, nothing's gonna fall out. It's a little bit ahead of the flame, so that any grease is dripping is gonna drip onto the ice. And this is what you get here, $11.99 I think at Canadian Tire, and it works like it fits perfectly. It's very sturdy. There's no, I have no concern about this falling off. And I have zero concern about a sausage or whatever I'm cooking on here rolling out. Anyway, there you go. That's my tip for the week. We're finally getting some ice. And hopefully things are safe out there. Have fun, enjoy, and I hope you like this little snippet. Take care.